Welcome to the Business Financial News Network channel. I am Banny, and my job is to relay the latest business and financial news. Terraform Labs' attempt to dismiss the SEC's lawsuit was denied by a federal judge. The judge supports the SEC's jurisdiction and plausible claim of securities law violation involving Terra USD, UST, Anchor Protocol, and Luna. Judge Jed Rakoff refused to use a previous Ripple Labs ruling as a precedent. Terraform and its founder, Do Kwon, face SEC allegations of misleading UST investors and fraud. The judge disagreed with the argument that UST buyers didn't consider it an investment. The SEC may appeal the ruling. Terraform Labs' objection, based on the major questions doctrine, was rejected, as the judge views the cryptocurrency industry as lacking vast economic and political significance. Following the ruling's publication, the price of XRP dropped around 2%. In other news, Uber's shares fell over 5% as the company's second quarter revenue missed analysts' expectations, despite positive guidance. Uber's earnings per share were 18 cents, beating analysts' estimated 1-cent loss. However, the revenue was $9.23 billion, slightly below the expected $9.33 billion. The company reported a net income of $394 million, a significant improvement from the net loss of $2.6 billion in the same quarter last year, including a net benefit from revaluations of equity investments. Uber achieved its first quarter of over $1 billion in free cash flow and its first GAAP operating profit. The CFO, Nelson Chai, will leave the company in January 2024, and a search for a successor has begun. Uber's adjusted EBITDA was $916 million, up 152% from the previous year, with gross bookings of $33.6 billion, up 16%. For Q3 2023, Uber expects gross bookings of $34 billion to $35 billion and adjusted EBITDA of $975 million to $1.025 billion, surpassing analysts' expectations. The mobility segment's gross bookings were $16.73 billion, up 25% year-over-year, while delivery gross bookings were $15.60 billion, up 12% year-over-year. The mobility segment generated revenue of $4.89 billion, and delivery revenue was $3.06 billion. Uber's freight business reported $1.28 billion in sales, down from the previous year's $1.83 billion. The number of monthly active platform consumers reached 137 million, a 12% increase year-over-year, and 2.3 billion trips were completed on the platform, up 22% year-over-year. Uber's CEO plans to achieve profitability every quarter moving forward. What do you think of the federal judge's dismissal rejection of the Terraform Labs case? Do you think this decision is justified? Also, what do you think of Uber's earnings report? Do you think this report is a positive sign for Uber's growth in the long term? Well, let me know in the comments below. Let's get a discussion going. If you want to be updated on the latest business and financial news, hit that like, share, and subscribe button. Take care and have a great rest of your day.